so wide. Every moment by your side. Laughter.
What's up, guys? So I am here in Kroger's and today is Labor Day, so I'm gonna do a little barbecue and have some drinks. You already know what time it is, okay? So I have these I have the idea that I wanted to put some of these trolleys in this rum punch that I got in Jamaica. So I don't know if I should get this one, or maybe I should get some other candy. I don't know about the worms. What you guys think? This is new as well. I don't know. And then they have the very berry, which is $3.99. Comment down below what you guys suggest to put in drinks. The Sour Patch, maybe the Sour Patch.
Okay, because they're 4 for $5, so that's probably a good deal.
I'll try the Sour Patch. Can't go wrong with Sour Patch. How much is in there? I'll probably do about 2. So we got 2 Sour Patch.
I thought you were going to do the dumbest thing on.
You want it? Let's look in the candy aisle and see if they have any more. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you everything that I have in the cart. So I have the berry punch, Minute Maid, tropical punch. Can't go wrong with these. And that little jerk season for the chicken right there. And little brats for the hot dog, and the hot dog one right there. So I also got some bell peppers, of the mini ones, and we're gonna use these for the shrimp kebab and the chicken kebab. And we have our Old Bay. Can't forget about the Old Bay for the shrimp. And I'll give it a little spice or whatever. And the honey mustard. So yeah, that's what we have so far. Probably gonna add a few more items. Still gotta get some other items at the other store, like the corn, and yeah. So just stay tuned, guys. So if you have not, go ahead and subscribe and like the video. All right, guys. So in the meanwhile, what's that? You want spicy? I want spicy. All right, so I changed up the candy and got airheads instead. Alright, so now it's time to check off. And we have Stan, or you want back?
Beautiful life, how beautiful you are. Woven into threads of hope and stars. Every day is a gift, every day is a gift. To paint with love and laughter.
Alright, so now I'm gonna be putting the corn on the grill. I couldn't get the whole of corn, so I got the frozen ones. I always have to cover it up. Let us do it. Alright, so I'm just turning the corn right now. Almost done. Now I'm just laying the kebab on the grill. One of the peppers fell off. Just put it on there. Alright guys, what do you think? How it look? It looks seasoned? Chef Keisha? Alright, we're gonna let that simmer down. Alright.